Hi guys, good afternoon. We are here now in our mini farm for the chicken also guys. Chicken, turkey and duck. We are here preparing the brooder cage for the chicks. They are already hatched inside our big incubator. I will show you inside guys. There are plenty of chicks inside. Okay. You see, there are a lot of chicks inside. More than 30. And also, they have a turkey. Saan yung pabugik? Yan eh. Only one heads of turkey. Okay guys, you see inside. This is our first incubator here in Talon-Talon. And the two incubator that I show you last time, that's there in my house in Barangay Tugbungan guys. If you want to incubate egg, don't forget to PM me for inquiry guys. The capacity of this incubator is more than 1,500. Hopefully by next week we also have lay in this area guys. Very hard to open. There are a lot of it also here. Most of them, they are a Rhode Island red and cross from Huluano. Please like and subscribe guys to my video for more tips and more video. God bless and bye bye. Now we are already separating the chicks from inside the incubator guys. No, gigyan to.
Kamuka tiwe ko. Kamuka. Ano sa lana din? Dito mo siya ano yung mambri?
Ano yung hombre? Sa mandalik man. Manda lang ang pupo ko nila. Tanto bilog.
31. 30.
They're all 30 heads plus one turkey guys.
Ano kanya kita?